Plus 2 class. Next topic is apomixis. Apomixis, it is actually asexual reproduction which mimic the sexual reproduction. Here there is no gamete formation, but embryo is formed without fertilization. Apomixis, it is of two types. It is agamospermy or second is adventive embryony or also called sporophytic budding. Agamospermy, it is of two types. Non-recurrent and recurrent. Non-recurrent agamospermy and recurrent agamospermy. On non-recurrent agamospermy, embryo which is formed is haploid, so it cannot survive. So this agamospermy, it is also called recurrent agamospermy. Recurrent agamospermy, it is of two types. It is apospory and second is diplospory. What is apospory? In apospory, embryo is formed from the nucellus. As you know, the cells of nucellus are diploid. This is diplospory. In diplospory, megaspore mother cell which are diploid, they directly give rise to embryo, and in this case embryo is diploid. This is agamospermy. It is found in apple, peach, etc. Adventive embryony. What is adventive embryony? यहाँ एक एम्ब्रियो तो होगा जो एग से बनेगा, इसके अलावा एम्ब्रियो बन सकते हैं दैट मे बी फ्रॉम द न्यूसेलस, दैट मे बी फ्रॉम द सेल ऑफ इंटेगुमेंट. इसलिए इसको एडवेंटिव एम्ब्रॉयनी बोलते हैं. इसलिए एडवेंटिव एम्ब्रॉयनी को पॉली एम्ब्रॉयनी भी बोलते हैं. एक एम्ब्रियो तो होगा जो कि फर्टिलाइजेशन से बनेगा, उसके अलावा एम्ब्रियो बन रहे हैं. दे मे बी फ्रॉम द सेल ऑफ न्यूसेलस, दे मे बी cell, so it is called polyembryony. In case of this polyembryony, one embryo sac may have more than one egg, or one ovule may have more than one embryo sac. It is also called sporophytic budding. Sporophytic budding में जो embryo है, suppose this is embryo, embryo की cleavage होगी and they further give rise to embryo. It is sporophytic budding and it is found in जिम्नोस्पर्म में मिलेगा ये sporophytic budding. If we talk about citrus plant, citrus में एक सीड में 40 से ज़्यादा एम्ब्रियो मिलेंगे. दैट इज ऑल्सो द केस ऑफ पोलीएम्ब्रियोनी. देन वाई द एपोमिक्सिस इज हैविंग द मोर एडवांटेज ओवर द हाइब्रिडाइजेशन. हाइब्रिडाइजेशन से जो सीड बनते हैं एक्चुअल में वो अपना जो उनमें दो करैक्टर को हाइब्रिड किया हुआ है एक साल के बाद लॉस कर देते हैं और दोबारा से फिर हाइब्रिड सीड बनाने पड़ेंगे. दैट आर मच कॉस्टली. बट इन दिस केस there is no loss of character and these seeds, they are infection free. There is no chances of infection and they are also cheap. There is most advantage is there is no loss of character which take place in hybrid seed year after year. This is all about this topic that is called apomixis.